Great Eagle from Group Base, and today I will present the audit findings for maintenance module of the Supply Management Information System. So for maintenance, I will be auditing the crude operations for user and supply management. So here, user, add user, edit user, delete user, also the confirmation prompt before deletion, and the password strength requirements and duplicate inputs. So for supply, again, the code operations or the add, edit, delete supply, and confirmation prompt also before the deletion, and duplicate supply handling. The system walkthrough and demonstration for maintenance module. So here's the system. So as of now, we are in the dashboard module, and as you can see, it's working. Again, next, let's go to the maintenance module, which is the user management. So first, for user management, um, we can add a user, edit, and delete user. So here I am adding a new user to an office of, let's say, test office and email with test@gmail.com. Her name is, let's try test na lang din, test, and role of user. For password, since we will be checking the password strength requirements, it says here is password must be at least 8 characters. So let's try, we can add only 6 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as you can see, it says add 2 more characters. Hindi niya ina-accept yung password na hindi yung 8 characters. Let's add permission of add user, edit user, delete user, etc. And may confirmation add user din siya. So may confirmation prompt siya. If gusto mo ba talaga i-add yung user na yun. And makikita mo dito yung users or yung details ng user na i-add mo. So let's add user. Database. Okay. User added successfully, login credentials. Yeah, so may prompt siya na nagsabi na nag-successful yung pag-add mo ng user. So here you can see the user na in-add natin ngayon. And let's try to edit it. So ayan, pwede mo lang ma-edit is yung first name, middle initial, last name, and role. So let's try to edit yung mga name with test. Okay, user na lang siya. So for permissions, we can add this again, yung check natin dito yung mga permission ng user. Sige, let's add na lang din yung view pending. Here you can see the information again na ina-edit mo. So from first name, test to tests, and the same with middle initial, last name, and permissions. Here the final permissions, view pending, edit user. Okay, so nakita natin dito na nadagdag yung view pending na permission na inad natin. So update successfully, naging, ayun na, yung test na sila. So, let's try delete it kung na ganun deletion. Ayan, so may confirmation prompt din siya for deletion. Are you sure you want to delete this user? This action cannot be undone. So, nandito rin kung ano yung gusto mong user na i-delete. So, for ano lang siya, for confirmation, baka iba yung ma-delete. And let's delete user. So, ayan. User and permission deleted successfully. So, nawala na dito sa table yung test user na inad natin kanina. And I think that's all for user management. Then we can see here the supplies management or the supply maintenance. And let's try to add na lang din ng supply. So for stock number, let's try 70. And for this, let's try na lang din is whiteboard or marker. Yeah, marker and box of unit and quantity of, let's say, 3. Supply added successfully. So may prompt din siya na successful yung pag-add natin ng ano. Let's try to search that, which is 70 stock number. Yan. You can see here na nandito talaga yung, or na-add talaga yung supply na in-add natin kanina. With a quantity of 3. Since low stock siya, I think it's low stock kasi yellow. Yeah. So try natin mag-add again, but this time add unit. 71. Um, Marking na lang siguro ulit with 2. Add tayo ng unit, let's say bundle, ay hindi, roll na lang, roll. So I think nag-add na siya. Yeah, here. And makikita natin yung roll dito. So nag-add na talaga yung add unit kanina. Let's try 71. Marker 2. Withdrawal. Try natin yung unit na in-add natin kanina with a quantity of 5. So ayan, failed to add supply, the selected unit is invalid. So for now, or as of now, I think hindi pa working yung pag-add nila ng supply with a new added unit. So, I think kagana lang yung pag-add nila ng supply with this existing unit na PC, box, pack, and ring. So kapag working lang yung pag-add mo ng unit, pero pag mag-add ka na ng supply with that added unit is hindi siya mag-work since sabi nga dito sa prompt, failed to add supply, the selected unit is invalid. Okay? And let's try to search na lang ulit na marker. Ano lumabas yung marker. And 71. I think 71 yung nag kanina. Ayun, di ba? Ayan, nag-error nga pala. Okay. So yeah, wala yung 71 since nag-error dito yung supply. So I think that's all for maintenance. Let's see again the user management. Yeah, okay. We're done with that module. So for comments and suggestions naman for that maintenance module, first for user management, middle initial accepts more than one letter. So I added kanina. Let's try to add na lang ulit. Yes, yes, yes. So, 103.5 seconds. So here, the middle initial, sabi dito is middle initial siya. However, ina-accept na yung middle name or hindi lang isang letter yung ina-accept niya. I think it's better to change it ng middle name or kung middle initial man yung required is dapat nag-limit siya to into one letter lang. So show password tagay works but an icon or image does not change accordingly when clicked. So here you can see the password. So hindi pa siya ano ngayon, visible. So I think hindi um, nag-behave properly yung image since ngayon is hindi siya kita. And kapag pinindot mo siya, kita na siya, visible na siya, pero hindi nagbago yung image. Here, makita mo tama yung image or yung icon since kita mo siya, visible siya, so may mata. However, kapag clinic mo siya, dapat nag-iba din yung image na into not visible icon. The system does not visibly indicate which permission are checked, making it unclear which options are um, currently selected. So let's try na lang muna here mag-add um, ng duplicate entry for office. So property custodian. And okay. So add user, confirmation, no confirmation. Okay, let's continue anyway. So here you can see na nag-error yung system na bawal yung duplicate entry for property custodian kasi nga dapat unique yung office. So, with that, yung office is dapat one user to one office lang talaga. And, ayun. So, for comment, dapat may prompt na lang siya, hindi yung lumalabas ng ganun yung error. And yung sa kanina na hindi naka-indicate properly kung ano yung permission na naka-check, I think sa edit yun. Here, we are editing this registrar or si John Clarence na user with, I think, may permissions, or kahit itong property custodian, may permission siya. Pero, um, sa pag inedit mo siya, hindi mo kita kung ano yung permission na meron siya as of now. So, per comment, ayun, dapat kita yung ano, yung kung ano yung selected permission para hindi ma-confuse yung user. And for supply management naman, add supply works for existing units but fails when adding supply to newly added units. So, yeah, kanina, nakita na natin siya. Nag-try tayo mag-add ng supply with the added unit which is tong roll. Try natin again. It is 56. Stock or marker 2, quantity of 6. So, ito yung added unit. And kapag nag-add tayo ng supply, is mag-error siya. So, yeah. Yun yung sa first supply management na ko. And I think that's all for maintenance module. And thank you so much everyone for listening.